In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on Premoves on chess.com. If you've ever felt the pressure of a fast time control, Premoves can be a real game changer. A Premove lets you choose your next move while it's your opponent's turn, and it will play instantly as soon as it becomes legal. This can save valuable seconds in blitz and bullet, but it's important to set it up correctly so you're ready before your next game. Let's start on the web. Open chess.com in your browser and look to the bottom left corner of the screen. Click on Settings. On the web, you'll then select All Settings to open the full menu. In that menu, find the section labeled Gameplay or Live Chess. Inside that section, look for the option called Enable Premoves. Toggle it to the ON position. You'll know it's active when the switch turns green. There's usually no need to save manually. Chess.com stores this preference automatically, so once the toggle is green, you're good to go. Now, if you're using the Chess.com mobile app, the path is just as simple. Open the app and tap the Home or Settings icon, then go into Settings. From there, look for Gameplay or Live Chess. Find the Enable Premoves option and toggle it on. Again, the switch will turn green to confirm that it's active. Once Premoves are enabled, here's how they work in play. While your opponent is thinking, you can select your next move. You'll see a visual indication, typically a feint or ghosted move, showing what you've queued up. If the move is legal when your turn begins, it will execute instantly. If the position changes in a way that makes your pre-move illegal, chess.com will simply cancel it, and you'll still have your normal turn. That means you get the speed advantage without sacrificing legality. A few quick tips to get comfortable. Try pre-moves in an unrated or casual game first to get a feel for the timing. Use them for obvious recaptures or routine developing moves, and be cautious in complicated positions, especially around checks and tactics. Remember, you can always come back to settings and toggle Enable Pre-moves off if you decide it's not for you. That's it. On the web, go to Settings, then All Settings, then Gameplay or Live Chess, and switch Enable Pre-moves to green. On the app, go to Settings, then Gameplay or Live Chess, and toggle it on. You're ready to play faster and smarter on chess.com.